Have you seen those ads for WatcherJobs.com offering you a chance to get paid $25 to $40 an hour just for watching Netflix shows? Sounds like a dream, right? But before you hand over your email or any personal info, let's dig into whether WatcherJobs.com is legit or just another scam waiting to happen. First off, WatcherJobs.com loves to brag about their so-called Netflix movie reviewer jobs. But here's the truth. Netflix has said, flat out, that they do not hire through random websites like this. The only real Netflix jobs are listed on the Netflix careers page. So if you see Netflix jobs anywhere else, especially reviewer gigs, it's a major red flag. Here's how these scams usually work. You click through, share your info, and suddenly you're asked to complete tasks, download weird apps, or even pay for an upgrade to cash out your fake balance. And if they get your email or password, they might use it to spam you, or worse, steal your identity. Now, if you've already signed up, don't panic. Here's what I'd do. First, stop all communication. Don't reply to emails or texts, even if they look official. Next, if you used a password you use anywhere else, change it ASAP. Then, keep an eye on your inbox for spam or suspicious job offers. And most importantly, never ever send money for training or onboarding. Legit employers never ask for cash up front. Finally, report the site to the FTC or your local consumer agency. It helps protect others from falling for the same tricks. Bottom line, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay sharp, protect your info, and don't let scammers steal your job search dreams.